Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. And today I'm going to review and unbox the iPhone SE 2020. And I was kind of curious. This is not actually my phone, but I was just curious because they're saying it's durable and cheaper, a lot cheaper. So we'll see what we can find with this. So this is what I got, a black iPhone SE 2020 64 gig. So we'll try to open and check this out. So here it is, the iPhone SE black 64 gig, and it's got the home button, and then for the headset, it's got the not the round outlet, it's the square one that I think it's the same as the iPhone 11 and the latest now. And then the cable for charging. It didn't include the actual, the socket. And then it's got some stickers from Apple, and get some pin to eject your SIM card. Now let's try to turn this on. I'm trying to turn this on now and see. Now it's popping up as usual, the Apple logo, and I would say it's kind of light too. So it's got some that introduction. And then just mash the home button, and I will pick English here. I'll just do set up manually, I guess. I'll encode our Wi-Fi here to set up Wi-Fi password. So same with other iPhone. After you put your Wi-Fi password, it will download the basic apps that comes with it, as you can see.